Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig from yolissahair. This video is sponsored by them. This is their 13x6 body wave lace front wig, 180% density and 18 inches. Let me just tell you guys a little bit about this wig before I get into installing it. I noticed whenever I got this wig that the hair started kind of far back on the lace. Like it had like a lot of lace that I had to cut off in the front because it was like super long. It was like almost down to my chin. But I realized that the hair kind of started far back on the lace, which is why I'm marking it right now, because I had to pull it forward a lot just to get it to cover my hair, like my hairline. So I'm marking it with this eyeliner pencil just to make sure that it's sitting correctly, because if I didn't do this, it would sit on my hair. As you can see, that's sitting out. That's sort of like the only problem that I had with the hair, is that it started too far back and I had to really pull it down on my forehead, and I already don't have a lot of forehead space as is. So I'm only going to be doing 2 very thin layers of glue. I am using the Erica J Hold Me Down glue, the watermelon scented one, just so you guys know. I always get questions on what adhesive I'm using. I'll have it linked below. Well, actually I can't link it below because her website is down right now, so I can't link it, but I'll put the name in the description. But yeah, only using 2 layers of glue. Also, after I glue it down, I'm going to blow dry it to really melt that glue, and then I'm going to use my Got To Be spray, the one in the blue and purple can, I believe, to make sure that the lace is like all the way down. Because you know, if you just use glue, sometimes whenever you go to cut it, you have some little pieces that are sticking up in the front that aren't all the way glued down. You either have to cut them off or glue them down. And I just find that gluing them down can get kind of messy. You have like glue sticking out from under your lace and your hair gets stuck to it. So I've started using the Got To Be to kind of help with that. I feel like I'm talking a lot. So I'm just going to let you guys watch what's going on. Everything is pretty self-explanatory. And I'll probably come back towards the end or whenever I get to styling the hair. Also, I just wanted to point out that you can see that there is a lot of lace left over whenever I cut it, and that is because of what I said with the wig, the hairline starting so far back on the lace, me having to pull it down. I had to leave that lace on there to make sure that my hair was covered and that it didn't look weird. So yeah, if you've noticed that would normally be there on any other wig, but just because of how this one was made, I had to leave that lace there.
Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, can really get head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, hey, I'm the juice, Cody got me tripping. Cut the coupe, hold the roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping.
Addy boys got some 60s in my bag. Lips sealed like pillow talking on no red. In my earlobe got 2 carats, VVS. Got a penthouse near Rodeo, out for stress. All this money, when I grew up I had nothing. Filled with backstabbing, my whole life is disgusting. Can't believe it, gotta thank God that I'm living comfortably. Getting chicks I don't believe, but she says she done with me. Burn some bridges and I let the fire light the way. Kicking my feet up, left the PJs on a PJ. Yo, I'm a big dog and I walk around with no leash. I got water on me, yeah, everything on Fiji.
Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, can really get head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, hey, I'm the juice, Cody got me tripping. Got the coupe, all the roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. I want to start, pick up doors, to big walls, hey. And I'm above, and it does, and expose, hey. I was 15, I took codeine with my dog, hey. Did it Percocet, promethazine, I feel nauseous. Walking over stick and I hop on a plane, still in my wall waist. Shit is so risky, I gotta be gifted, these best me fortunate fame. I remember from 50, I could go back empty, I know I was stuck to the game. Loyal and I never change, I'm never gonna go against the grain. I'm never gonna be the one telling my brother when police has got to detain. I won't ever love a bitch more than my mother, and that's on my government name. I can't be no sucker, I ain't hating on no one, I wish everybody get paid. Cause we can't up every day, getting hot talent in the grave. Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, can really get head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, hey, I'm the juice, Cody got me tripping. Cut the coupe, all the roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping.
yo. Hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Turn a low breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
Some young niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to swing. Big bang, take little bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shorty break.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look of the hair and I absolutely love it. I feel like this is the best wig that I've installed in a while, besides like the little lace sticking out and kind of showing, because it was pretty light lace. Also I had to tint it with makeup, but besides all that, this wig is so bomb. I love it. It looks so natural. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna also have the hair details down below in the description box so you guys can check out Yolissa hair. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. And thank you guys so much for watching once again. Bye guys.
Getting slang. Broke ass nigga, get a clue.